Running a chiropractic practice means balancing patient care with managing leads, booking appointments, and staying on top of follow-ups. All these tasks can make it difficult to focus on helping your patients feel their best. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template designed specifically for chiropractors. This solution automates your lead management, streamlines your appointment scheduling, and enhances your patient experience. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and online ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you never lose track of potential patients. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a new lead reaches out, the system sends personalized follow-ups via email or SMS, encouraging them to schedule an initial consultation or treatment. 5. Online appointment booking. 6. With an integrated calendar, patients can schedule appointments online, making the process simple and convenient for them and your team. 7. Automated appointment reminders. 8. The system sends reminders for scheduled appointments, reducing no-shows and keeping your schedule running smoothly. 9. Post-treatment follow-ups. 10. After each visit, the system follows up to thank your patients, gather feedback, and encourage repeat bookings or wellness program signups. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, improve patient retention, and grow your practice. With automated lead capture, follow-ups, scheduling, reminders, and post-visit engagement, you can focus on delivering exceptional care while your business runs seamlessly in the background. Ready to take your chiropractic practice to the next level? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start transforming your practice today. Don't wait, automate your success now.